Hey there, marketers. Let's dive into something super exciting today. User-generated content, or UGC, and how it can skyrocket your growth. Have you ever wondered why some brands grow faster than others? A big part of the answer is UGC. So grab your notepads because we're about to unlock the secrets to leveraging UGC for rapid growth. First off, what is UGC? Simply put, it's content created by your users. Photos, videos, reviews, social media posts, you name it. This content is gold, and I'm about to tell you why. Imagine this. You're scrolling through Instagram and you see a photo of someone using a product you've been eyeing. You click on it, check out the comments, and bam! You're convinced. That's the power of UGC. It's authentic trust building and incredibly persuasive. Now, let's talk strategy. Step 1. Encourage your audience to create content. Host a contest, offer incentives, or simply ask. You'd be surprised how willing people are to share their experiences. Remember, the easier you make it for them, the more content you'll get. Step 2. Showcase the best UGC on your platforms. Feature user photos on your website. Repost their videos on your social media and highlight reviews in your email campaigns. This not only validates your product, but also creates a sense of community. Everyone loves being part of something bigger. Step 3. Engage with the creators. Comment on their posts, share their stories, and give them shout-outs. This turns your customers into brand advocates. Plus, it shows that you value their input, making them more likely to create content in the future. But wait, there's more. UGC also boosts your SEO. Search engines love fresh, relevant content, and user-generated posts can give you that edge. More content means more keywords, which means better search rankings. Let's look at some real-world examples. Take GoPro, for instance. They've built an empire by encouraging users to share their adventures. Or Starbucks with their #Red Cup contest, generating thousands of posts each holiday season. These brands didn't just grow, they exploded, all thanks to UGC. So, are you ready to leverage UGC for your growth? Start today. Encourage your audience to share, showcase their content, and engage with them. Watch as your brand transforms from a business to a community. Trust me, you won't regret it. That's it for today, marketers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and keep growing.